Welcome to Valcartier. This amazing family-friendly hotel is located just 40 minutes away from Quebec City.
This hotel is also home to the famous Hotel de Glace ice hotel in the winter and a huge outdoor water park in the summer.
This indoor tropical-themed water park has a wave pool, multiple tube slides, multiple non-tube slides, plenty of kids areas, a super fun lazy river, and of course, the amazing flow rider.
Pro tip, make sure you fill out the online waiver for the flow rider before entering the water park.
We recommend spending one evening at this water park as there is so much more to do and see in Quebec City.
The Aroma Nordic Spa was so good that we've put more detailed information in our video about our favorite things to do in Quebec.
After a long day at the spa and water park, there are plenty of fun things to do, from an arcade, to a gym, to a scavenger hunt. The scavenger hunt has you looking for QR codes all around the hotel with riddles to solve in between. Once you are done, or if you need help, you can speak to someone in the lobby.
You have two main options for where to eat. There's the Polynesian restaurant, which is right at the water park, and there's the Safari restaurant.
Another perk of staying on Valcartier is that everyone gets a complimentary bathrobe. The family suite was spacious, the beds were comfortable, and there's plenty of space for everyone.
Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.